Hi, I'm Jur from DXPR, and today the DXPR team is excited to show you what we think is not just the biggest update to DXPR Builder ever, not just the best AI page builder for Drupal, but we truly believe we're shipping the best website or web page building experience available, period. And today I'm not going to tell you all about it, I'm going to show you. I'm going to pretend I'm a content marketer for DXPR University, and I'm going to create 3 pages. You will see me first prioritize speed in content creation by cloning a competitor web page and editing it. Second, I will create a new page from scratch, but leave a lot of autonomy to the AI in generating the whole page. And in the third page, I will exercise more control over the process by creating a page section by section, still with AI. So first I'm going to start with the home page. What I did is just find a home page that I like from another university. So this is UC Berkeley, and I think their layout is very clear, has a nice balance of graphics and text. So I'm just going to copy this URL. In the AI prompt box, I'm going to write clone and paste the URL. Then I'm going to click generate content, and instantly I have a clone of the entire web page. So of course it would be naughty to use the entire layout, including the copy and the images from another university, but for us this is just a starting point. So as you can see, we didn't steal the images. Instead, DXPR's platform creates placeholder images that we can either assign to an art director to replace, or replace with AI, which is what we're going to do later. So first I want to get the vibe right and add a background video here. So I added a new section. I'm going to section settings, background effects, local video. So here, if you actually have a video you made yourself, either with AI or a human team, you upload it here, but as a placeholder I am fine with borrowing their video. Image generation works like this. So I click the drop down, I click edit with AI, and here there's already a placeholder text representing the briefing that the AI also put inside the images. So I can just click generate image, do the same for the other two. And image generation takes a while because we try to get the highest quality of images, but luckily we can generate images in parallel. So I'm just going to do a quick check of the clone, see if it's all to my liking. Our images finished generating and they look great, they look sharp. We could use these in production as they're not copyrighted stock photos, but we generated them with our AI. So next, of course, there's the text. Currently the text is about UC Berkeley and what their research is achieving. And luckily DXPR Builder has a unique capability to rewrite this entire page text while preserving the layout. So what I'm going to say is, while keeping the layout identical, rewrite all text to be about a fictitious DXPR University and how we teach AI content marketing. So let's see how this goes. This is a big job, but as you can see, the AI is very fast. And here, DXPR educators work every day to teach strategies that change the marketing world, blah, blah, blah. And the entire page is being rewritten in an identical layout. This is not sped up, this is really how fast our product can write text and layout at the same time. And all of the generated content is completely editable in DXPR Builder as if we created it manually. So I will show that next in a second. As long as we see the cloud bouncing around here with our word counts, we're still generating. Okay, there we go. And here I'm just going to open the column dropdown and approach the AI from here. So in the column level, I'm going to say add more content here. So I don't really care, as this is a demo website. Of course, you would write to the AI something, an instruction about what to write about. But as you can see, it intelligently predicted I want similar content in this column to what we have here. So we have the image element, the text element, and the button element. The image contains a briefing. I can generate it and get an actual photo here. So what we just did is in just 5 minutes create a full new homepage for our DXPR University. I'm going to save this and then we're going to pick a new page to design. Okay, so let's try Campus Live. So there's another empty page here, another prompt box, and this time I'm going to let the AI generate the entire page on its own without using an example. So I'm going to say, generate this page in full for DXPR University, a fictitious university teaching AI for content marketers. I'm going to click generate content and the AI will start planning and writing the page. As you can see, it's very fast. It includes both layout, text, images, call to action. So this is a complete page and a great starting point for our DXPR University Campus Live experience. I'm going to render out these images. We can review the brief. And just in seconds, we have a web page that is almost ready for production. So AI image generation is not perfect yet. As you can see here, this is a little silly. But this is why we do not generate images by default in the DXPR Builder. So serious websites, they need serious media assets. That's why instead of creating AI images out of the box right away, we have these placeholder images that serve as briefings for your art director or designer. I don't like these images, it's not a problem. I'm going to demonstrate how our history feature keeps track of every little change that we made to the page. And I'm going to revert both image generation actions. Leave these to the real professionals. So for this third and final page, I'm going to create a page section by section, a bit slower and more controlled. So this is the alumni page, and here we're going to introduce the portal website for our alumni and provide information on how to register for it and what you can do here. So I'm going to start with a hero section explaining our alumni portal. Okay, that looks awesome. So I'm happy with this section, and next I want to add 2 sections. One, instructing alumni they can use our portal here, and second, instructing students who might find this page to another portal. So I'm going to open the main AI controls for this page and just ask for both at the same time. Add 2 more sections, one explaining to alumni what they can do in the portal, and a second section for students who might find this page, whom we want to refer to another portal. So as you can see, all the elements are in the website brand colors defined in the theme settings. This seems like an image too many to me. and another section referring students to their own portal. So I'm happy with both these sections, and what a page like this needs is frequently asked questions answered about signing on to the portal, etc. So I'm just going to ask the AI, add another section with FAQ, answering questions about signing up and logging into the portal. Not bad, but this layout won't really scale if we add more frequently asked questions later. So I'm going to open the section AI controls. Turn all these questions into collapsibles. Awesome. So I actually did regenerate this section a couple of times because AI is not perfect. AI is going to make mistakes, and you will find that in any AI product. But the important thing is how a product handles mistakes. So in the DXPR Builder, we have shortcuts like Command C or Control Z to undo your mistakes or the AI's mistakes. And we have the history window here that provides a very refined level of control. And that concludes our third and last page that we created with DXPR's new AI platform. You can see the potential here is enormous. What we just did here used to take days before AI, even with a visual page builder like DXPR. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I invite you to try the product try.dxpr.com, where you can start an admin demo right away, or by installing our new 2.8 version of the DXPR Builder or the 3.x beta version.